Hello everyone, this is the night view of the Sydney and this is the Hotel Shangri-La and this is a just want to show you what's the night is going in the night time the Sydney look like. It's too much light here, but with the tall buildings, with the lovely, you can see it's the best. This is a George Street in Sydney. And this is a lot of people around here all the time, and this one I see, oh my god, that's the tallest buildings and look very nice. The best view of the Sydney. This is it's the best in town. This Four Seasons Hotel. Please you like and comments if you like it. Thank you very much. Thank you guys for watching. Thanks a lot.